This is another way to remove the alarm siren from the car. So obviously the most common way is to remove this cover here, but you have to cut the bolt on the bracket, because the bracket has a round head bolt, so you cannot use any wrench on it. So you need to use a Dremel perhaps, or a grinder. I'm not sure if the grinder will fit in there, but the alternative to this is just to toss the bumper. The bumper is awkward. I'm not gonna say exactly how it's attached. I know it's attached here, then it has kind of bolts here. This is an S80, but S60 is similar. You need to access kind of bolts there. There's a bracket in there. It's kind of weird. And then this one S80 has another bolt in there, has kind of bolts on the top. Anyhow, find yourself, if you want to go this way. The headlight also, it's attached on the side here, so on the side there, and there's also a bolt here on the other side, which this one just sheared off, was sitting there. So it's kind of awkward. You need also to unplug the headlight, which is hard to access. But if you went this way or just worked around and you had the headlight off, the siren, again, this is an S80, so the siren is kind of more forward in there, harder to access. The S60, the siren is more more towards the front, so it's easier to access. You just grab a 10mm wrench like this, and I'll show you right away. You need to access two nuts, the top one and the lower one. Lower one, you want to just feel it, and just untwist it a little bit. Careful which way you untwist. Just untwist it maybe 2 turns. That's enough. You don't need to remove them, and then you just pull on the siren. Okay. Yeah, and again, this is an S80. On the S60, the siren comes pretty much right out, and then when it comes out, just reach for the connector right there. Let me see how it goes. I need to press on the sides, I think. It may be tricky to undo this connector there. Oh no, it's pretty easy actually. So just press on the side of the connector, you will see. So that's the idea, is just to unscrew these bolts, these nuts, just a little bit, not too much. The lower one, let me just grab the lower one, it's sitting there, because these nuts, also bolts, just sit on the bracket, and you can slide the siren off the bracket. And one thing, let's say you are a junkyard just like me, and you want to find the siren, but you don't know is it basically all the old one, genuine original ones, are damaged, are bad by now, but some people just went removing this. So if you would want to know how to know if this one, say it has been already replaced, so maybe it's just a few years old, it still works. If you see this bump, that's the part number, and it has kind of, it just comes out like this, has a bump. This is the original one. The replacement one don't have a bump here, it's just flat all over the place. So this one, it's an old one, I'm not gonna take it. So that's pretty much it.